3, 2, 1.
You're watching TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on or enable voice chat in Marvel Rivals. So the first thing you want to do is press the Start or Options button on your controller, and we're going to go to Settings. Then what you want to do is select Audio at the top, and once you're in this section, make sure your master volume's turned up, and same thing with your in-game voice volume. Now if we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the voice chat option right here. You want to ensure your voice chat volume's turned up. That is turned on. Now when you do this, if you go back into game, you should see in the top left corner your name and a microphone symbol indicating that you're talking, and in my case it is. Now if you don't see that, make sure your headset mic isn't toggled on mute, and you could also check the individual settings depending on your actual console. Now what I also recommend you try is pressing the Start or Options button on your controller and go to Now what I also recommend you try is pressing the Start or Options button on your controller and go to Settings, and then go to Match on the very far left, and you'll be able to see that your microphone's working here as well. And if you ever want to mute yourself, you can simply press X on it, and you'll be muted. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.